Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn to talk about how frequently things happen. This is another lesson on adverbs. In this lesson, we will learn adverbs for frequency, pang-abay, para sa dalas. Adverbs, pang-abay. For, para sa. Frequency, dalas. These words will help us to answer questions related to how frequently do things happen. In Filipino, gaano kadalas mangyari ang mga bagay? How, gaano. Frequently, kadalas. Things, mga bagay. Happen, mangyari. Now here is our first set of adverbs for frequency. Pang-abay para sa dalas. Always, palagi. Often or often, madalas. Usually, kadalasan. Regularly, regular. Now let us use those words in a conversation. I always forget my key. Palagi kong nakakalimutan ang susi ko. I, ko. Always, palagi. Forget, nakakalimutan. My is also ko. Key, susi. I usually forget my wallet. Kadalasan, nakakalimutan ko ang pitaka ko. Usually, kadalasan. Wallet, pitaka. You often leave it on the table. Madalas mong maiwan ito sa lamesa. You, mo. Often, madalas. Leave, maiwan. It, ito. On the, sa. Table, lamesa. Here is another conversation. I usually have coffee in the morning. Kadalasan, nagkakape ako sa umaga. I, ako. Usually, kadalasan. Have coffee, nagkakape. In the, sa. Morning, umaga. Where do you have coffee? Saan ka nagkakape? Where, saan? You, ka? I regularly go to Tonyo's Cafe. Regular akong magpunta sa Tonyo's Cafe. Regularly, regular. Go, magpunta. And to, sa. Now let us look at another set of adverbs for frequency, pang-abay para sa dalas. Sometimes, minsan. Occasionally, paminsan-minsan. Rarely or seldom, bihira, madalang. Never is hindi. Now let us use those words in a conversation. I eat out sometimes. Minsan, kumakain ako sa labas. I, ako. Eat, kumakain. Out, sa labas. Sometimes, our adverb is minsan. I occasionally dine out too. Paminsan-minsan, kumakain din ako sa labas. Occasionally, paminsan-minsan. Dine, kumakain. To, din. Let us have dinner together sometime. Minsan, mag-dinner tayong magkasama. As, tayo. Let us have dinner. Mag-dinner tayo. Together, magkasama. Here is another conversation. I have never been to an opera. Hindi pa ako nakapunta sa opera. Ako. Have never, hindi pa. Been, nakapunta. To, sa. Me neither. Hindi rin ako. Me, ako. Neither, hindi rin. I seldom watch any kind of show. Bihira akong manood ng kahit anong klaseng palabas. Seldom, bihira. Watch, manood. Any, kahit anong. Kind, klase. Of is that noun that is attached to klase. And show, palabas. Here is another set of adverbs for frequency or pang-abay para sa dalas. Every day, araw-araw. Every week, linggo-linggo. Every month, buwan-buwan. Every year, taon-taon. Now, this is how we commonly say these adverbs in everyday Filipino, but there is another version. Here is the alternate version. Every day, bawat araw. Every week, bawat linggo. Every month, bawat buwan. And every year, bawat taon. So the word every is bawat. Now let us use our new adverbs in a conversation. Does the truck come every week? Dumadating ba ang truck linggo-linggo? The, ang, truck, come, dumadating. Every week, linggo-linggo. And we have that extra word ba after dumadating because this question is answerable by yes or no. It comes every day. Araw-araw itong dumadating. Ito. Comes, dumadating. Every day. Araw-araw. It comes every day at 8 a.m. Dumadating ito araw-araw ng 8 a.m. So, at 8 a.m. is ng 8 a.m. At is actually sa in Filipino, but somehow in everyday Filipino, it turned out that whenever we say at a certain time, we use ng and the time. Here is another conversation. How often do you go for a checkup? Gaano ka kadalas magpa-check up? How, gaano? Often, kadalas. You, ka. Go for a checkup. Our shortcut is simply magpa-check up. I have regular monthly checkups. May regular na check-up ako buwan-buwan. Ako have my regular, monthly, buwan-buwan. Now, here are some words for measures of time or sukat ng oras. Measures, sukat, of, ng, time, oras. You can use these words for your practice. Second is segundo. Minute, minuto. Hour, oras. And moment, sandali. See if you can use these words whenever answering questions that require adverbs. So that is our lesson today, and I hope you found it useful. For your homework, as usual, write down and talk about how frequent things happen in the Filipino language. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!